Hello, hi everyone. My name is Keshav and from India. I have many gear cows. I am introduced for cow. My first cow, Payal, and this is Lado. This mother is Payal and father is Mohan. This is Rolly. Father side is Garadio and mother is farmer cow. This is a calf, Reva, and mother is Revati and father is Bhadra. This is my big bull, Bhadra, and father side is Bhavnagar line and mother is farmer cow. Second bull name is Rudra and mother is Vakana bloodline and father is Tukho uh, Kundal line. This is a Sri, mother is Misri and father is Rudra. Sonal cow and mother is big farmer cow. This is a Revati, mother is Misri and father is Hari Kundal line. Hi everyone, this is my small calf I am introduced. This is a Lakshmi and mother is Lado and father is Bhadra. And this is a Bagri, mother is Payal and father is Bhadra. This is a Saraswati, mother is Savitri and father is Bhadra. This is a Gayatri and mother is Sonal and father is Rudra. This is a Bhrugo and mother is Gopi and father is Rudra. I am a small farmer. Support me and first video is like, share and subscribe. Jai Shri Krishna.